Hello! Today we're going to look at the structure of Seatmap Pro components and the lifecycle of their application. Seatmap is a powerful seat mapping tool that allows you to create, render, and manage your seating plans on the fly. On this schema you can see that there are three main components all acting together as a seamless solution which communicates with the ticketing system in place. The first component is Seatmap Editor. It is a simple web interface where you can control the visualization side of your seating plans by creating, managing, and editing them in one spot. For more information on how it operates, you can watch our editor review video. The second component is the Seatmap Renderer. Seatmap Renderer is a JavaScript library which performs the visualization of the venue for the customer. The component is versatile and powerful, as it can render plans with tens of thousands of seats in just a few seconds. Additionally, Renderer is nicely optimized for mobile devices on iOS and Android platforms. Finally, Seatmap Bookings component serves as a management tool for events and prices. Essentially, it is an API bridge between schemas and specific seats available for booking. Here, it is important to note that the Seatmap solution is exclusively about visualization, so all the ticketing is happening on your side. Seatmap does not interfere in that process and does not store any of the ticketing information on its servers. The road to actually selling tickets to the customer can be described as a simple 6-step lifecycle. On the schema you can see the representation of this lifecycle, with yellow boxes referring to the Seatmap side and white boxes to the ticketing system side. Let's run through each step in more detail. First, you create a schema. For that, you are using the Seatmap Editor component. When a schema is created and published, it is ready to be exposed by API. Second step is creating an event. What we mean by event in this context is a specific time and specific place occurrence, so the narrowest definition, single event. Every created schema can be connected to one or many events by referring to the Seatmap booking component through an API. The event is therefore used to provide a connection between the visual part and the booking data. Event creation should be a synchronized operation between your event storage and Seatmap Pro. For example, if you want to create an event named Test Event, you should perform two simple requests: retrieve venues from booking component and create an event named Test Event. Third step is assigning the prices for your event. For price assignment, you're using the Seatmap booking component as well. It requires a list of objects with a simple composite key: section name, row name, and seat name. At Seatmap, we call this denomination SRS. For instance, if you have a seat named Section B, row 5, seat 14, composite key will be Section B, double semicolon, 5, double semicolon, 14. Again, all the information about tickets and list of tickets with prices is stored in your ticketing system as the one and only source of truth. Fourth step is showing seating plan to customer. At this point, the Seatmap Renderer component comes into play. It simplifies the technical implementation by applying a simple what you see is what you get principle. The only thing you need to show the seating plan is the event ID from the second step. After seeing the seating plan, the customer can choose and select the seats for the purchase. For this part, we present a flexible framework which reacts to customers' actions through callbacks. Every element on the schema can be customized for your specific requirements, such as shapes of seats, labels, behavior, styling, etc. The final step is the checkout. At this point, your ticketing system checks booking availability for all tickets in the cart and sends request to Booking API to mark the seats as sold. And that about covers our quick rundown through the components. If you want to have more information, as well as request access to the test account, you can visit our website at seatmap.pro. Thank you for your attention.